If you already have an existing solar system, some solar systems are built already to handle batteries, some solar systems aren't, and that's going to depend on the product that you use. And that's definitely some education that you're going to want to have dependent on your solar system. Now, if your solar system was installed more than a couple years ago, 3-4 years ago, most of the time you're going to have to install a separate inverter and a battery for that product, dependent on your application. Now, your application is going to include the size solar system you currently have up there, the loads that you want to back up with your battery system, how big your house is, where the solar system is in comparison to where the loads are that you want to back up. All these considerations are things that we think about when we're designing a battery system for different applications, and so we want to make sure that the battery system is designed for the application that you have. And if you have an existing solar system, yes, you can definitely add a battery system to it. How that gets accomplished is going to depend on what you want the battery system to do and what existing equipment that you have. But it can definitely be done, and there are products out there that specialize in exactly that.